The recent Apple iPhone 15 series launch has brought a wave of anticipation and curiosity among tech enthusiasts. Recently, the iPhone 15 series battery capacities and wattage details have been disclosed, thanks to the information available in the Chinese regulatory database. Here, we delve into the specifics of the battery features of the new series, including a comprehensive iPhone 15 battery comparison with its predecessor, the iPhone 14 series. The Apple community is abuzz with the latest revelations about the iPhone 15 series battery life. According to the iPhone 15 series Chinese regulatory database, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are equipped with batteries boasting capacities of 3,349 mAh and 4,383 mAh respectively. These capacities translate to impressive iPhone 15 series video playback time of 20 and 25 hours for the two models, as per data from the Apple website. Furthermore, the iPhone 15 Pro battery capacity stands at 3,274 mAh with a wattage of 12.70 W, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max battery capacity is slightly higher at 4,422 mAh and 17.109 W. These figures indicate a notable iPhone 15 battery upgrade compared to the iPhone 14 series. The data reveals that the new series offers a slight enhancement in battery capacity, promising a more enduring user experience. When it comes to charging the new series, Apple recommends using a 20W charger, which can recharge the phones to 50% in approximately 30 minutes. Moreover, the iPhone 15 series charging tips include utilizing the MagSafe wireless charging feature, which supports up to 15 watt and Qi wireless charging up to 7.5 watt. Interestingly, both the Pro and Pro Max versions charge at the same rate as the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, maintaining consistency across the series. The iPhone 15 series battery life seems to have received a slight boost, offering users extended video playback times and more efficient charging solutions, including the iPhone 15 series MagSafe wireless charging. As we await further details, it is evident that the iPhone 15 battery specs and features are set to offer a superior user experience, making the anticipation for the official release even more exciting. Are you impressed with the iPhone 15 series battery capacities? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.